Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a 2006 Dodge Durango key fob. Turn the ignition from OFF to on 8 times ending in on, then remove the key. Watch for the dome light to blink indicating programming mode, press each fob button until the light flashes, and then turn the ignition OFF to exit. Test each remote at short range and repeat if a fob fails to respond. Start with the driver door open and the ignition key out. Close the door, then cycle the ignition OFF to on 8 times, ending with the key in on position, and remove the key. The dome light will flash to confirm entry into programming. Press the lock button on each remote until the light flashes for each fob. Turn the ignition OFF to finish and test remotes at arm distance. If programming fails, stay calm and retry the sequence deliberately without rushing. Check and replace weak remote batteries, and make sure the driver door is fully closed during the ignition cycles. Try programming one fob at a time if multiple units fail, and allow a short pause between attempts to let the vehicle reset. If persistent failure occurs, consult a trusted locksmith for diagnostics rather than guessing electrical repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.